ko makauli karon. But it is for you. This is your day. So, happy Teacher's Day. We all know that you're a good teacher, very good teacher, but also a good mother as well. So, we love you so much, Mama.
Happy Teacher's Day. Lot, hinaot unta nga magmalampuson ka sa pagtudlo. I love you.
Hi, Mama Rocco! Happy Teacher's Day! Mom, thank you for everything, for the teaching and advices. More powers to come. Then wish you always. And we love you. Bye-bye!
Hi, Ate Annie. Happy Teacher's Day. Thanks for everything and God bless.
Me, happy Teacher's Day, me. We love you.
Love you. Hi, Mommy. Happy Teacher's Day. I love you. Ingat po kayo. Always kiss.
Hi, Te. Good morning. Happy Teacher's Day, Te. I love you, Te. Thank you sa patience. Then, sa tanan Te nang nimong gihatag sa mua. Thank you, Te, for being there always. Love you. Love you, Te.
Honey, happy Teacher's Day and happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for loving and taking care of our children. I am humbly proud of you. I love you very, very much.
Happy Teacher's Day to especially to Banji Lailahoy. I love you very much, especially this day. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day. I love you. We love you.
Happy Teacher's Day. I know you're a great teacher, a dedicated one, and a loving sister to me. And that I can vouch for wherever, whatever.
Mrs. Gloria Arias Sipunzalan is a precious and amazing woman. She is able to implement what she wants to be, and it makes you more responsible, ready ka para sa tanan. She's a great mom, and
Happy Teacher's Day. God bless you and good health. We love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Mommy. Thank you sa tanan-tanan ni mong gihatag sa ako, and thank you for being a very, very great mom to me. May God bless you always, and I love you, Mommy. Happy Mentor's Day, Mommy. I love you so much. Thank you very much.
Hello, Ma. Happy Teacher's Day. I love you. Thank you sa pag-alaga sa mua. You're the best mom.
Hi, Ma. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Teacher's Day din. Love you.
Hi, Nay. Happy Teacher's Day. Be happy sa Teacher's Day ninyo dayon. I love you. Long life.
Surprise! Hi, Torch. Happy Teacher's Day. I don't have any words to describe how I feel today. But then, I just like to tell you that I
will be forever thankful to God for having you as my husband. And you're a blessings from above, one that I do not take for granted. So thank you for the things that you've done for me.
Happy Teacher's Day, Tatay, Teach. Happy Teacher's Day to my father. Salamat. I love you, Tay. Tay, Teach, thank you for being a good father and an advisor. Thank you kay Tay, kay imong gipis ako nga imo pud kong anak. Isa dili pud ko nimo anak, pero gipapili mo sa ko nga imo kong anak, Dave. Thank you. We love you. Happy Teacher's Day.